Stop scrolling for a second and listen carefully. You are living in the UK. You see people talking confidently on buses, in supermarkets, at work, on phone calls. You understand most of what they say. But when it's your turn to speak, your throat tightens, your mind goes blank, words disappear. You suddenly feel small. And later, when you go home, you replay the moment in your head thinking, I should have said that. Why didn't I say that? If this feels familiar, this video is not just for you. This video is about you. And today I'm going to show you exactly why you still can't speak English confidently in the UK, and the simple daily system that can change everything starting today. First, let's be honest. The problem is not grammar, it's not vocabulary, and it's definitely not intelligence. The real problem is fear combined with lack of speaking habit. Most beginners living in the UK are trapped in silent mode. You listen every day, you read every day, you scroll English content every day, but you rarely speak. And confidence is not built by understanding English. Confidence is built by producing English. Speaking is a muscle, and if you don't use it daily, it becomes weak. Living in the UK does not automatically make you fluent. Just being surrounded by English is not enough. Exposure without action does not create confidence. Now, here's something most people won't tell you. When you move to the UK, your brain goes into survival mode. New country, new system, new people, new accent. Your brain is busy adapting, and because speaking English feels risky, your brain chooses safety. Silence feels safe. Short answers feel safe. Smiling instead of speaking feels safe. But safety is the enemy of growth, and until you intentionally break that pattern, nothing changes. Let me ask you something powerful. How many times today have you spoken English out loud for more than 2 minutes continuously? Not in your head, not whispering, not repeating one sentence, but actually speaking for 2 full minutes. For most beginners, the answer is 0, and that is the real reason you still struggle. You cannot expect fluent output from 0 daily speaking practice. But don't worry, because now I'm going to give you a system, a simple daily system. No expensive course, no complicated grammar book, just daily structured action. And if you follow this for 30 days, your confidence level will change dramatically. Step 1 is called the mirror pressure method. Every morning, stand in front of a mirror for 5 minutes. Look at your own eyes and speak about your day. For example, today I am going to work at 9 a.m. I feel a little nervous about my meeting, but I will try my best. After work, I will go to the supermarket. Speak continuously. Do not stop to correct grammar. Do not judge yourself. The goal is flow, not perfection. This trains your brain to handle speaking pressure, because when you look at your own eyes, it feels slightly uncomfortable, and that discomfort builds strength. Step 2 is the 2-minute real situation simulation. Every day, choose one real UK situation: ordering coffee, asking for directions, making a doctor appointment, returning an item to a store. Then practice that situation out loud as if you are there. For example, "Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please. Can I also get it takeaway?" Then imagine the response and answer again. This mental rehearsal reduces real-life anxiety. When the real situation happens, your brain says, "I've done this before." Step 3 is the shadow confidence drill. Pick a short English audio clip, 30 seconds to 1 minute, spoken in a clear British accent. Listen once. Then play it again and speak along with it at the same time. Don't wait. Speak with the speaker. This trains rhythm, tone, and natural speed. Do this for 10 minutes daily. Your pronunciation will improve without you even realizing it. Step 4 is the daily discomfort rule. Every single day, you must initiate one small English interaction in real life. It can be simple, saying, "Hi, how's your day going?" to a cashier. Asking a colleague, "How was your weekend?" It does not need to be long. It just needs to be initiated by you. Because confidence grows when you take the first step. Now let's talk about mindset. Many beginners compare themselves to native speakers. That comparison destroys motivation. Remember this clearly. Communication is more important than perfection. Most British people care about clarity, not accent perfection. If your message is clear, you are already succeeding. Stop chasing perfect pronunciation. Chase clear communication. Another important truth. Embarrassment is temporary. Regret lasts longer. You might feel awkward for 10 seconds after making a mistake, but staying silent creates long-term frustration. Choose short-term discomfort over long-term regret. Let's address the hidden fear. Many people think, "What if they don't understand me?" But here's a secret. Even native speakers sometimes repeat themselves. Communication breakdown is normal. It is not proof of failure. It is part of conversation. Now imagine this. It's 30 days from now. You walk into a shop. You speak clearly. The cashier understands you immediately. You don't overthink. You don't replay the conversation later. You just move on with your day. That version of you is not a different person. That version of you is simply someone who practiced daily. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need 3 hours of study. You need 20 focused minutes every day. 5 minutes mirror speaking, 10 minutes shadowing, 5 minutes simulation, 1 real-life interaction. That's it. Simple, repeatable, powerful. And here's the most important part. Record yourself once a week. Just use your phone. Speak for 2 minutes about your week. Then listen. At first, you might feel uncomfortable. But after 4 weeks, you will hear improvement. And hearing your own growth builds unstoppable confidence. Living in the UK is an opportunity. You are surrounded by real-life practice every day. Don't waste that environment by staying silent. Use it. Even small conversations build momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. You are not bad at English. You are under-practiced in speaking. That's all. And practice is something you can control starting today. If this message hit you personally, don't ignore it. Make a decision right now. Starting tomorrow morning, follow this system for 30 days. No excuses, no skipping. Confidence is built daily, not magically. And remember this powerful line. Fluency is not about knowing more. It's about using what you already know. You already know enough English to start speaking more confidently. You just need structured action. So the real question is not, why can't I speak English? The real question is, am I willing to practice daily, even when it feels uncomfortable? Because if the answer is yes, your transformation has already begun. Start today. Not next week, not next month, today. And 30 days from now, you will thank yourself.